see, we had to get up in there, get up out, man. There's too many people up inside the mall right now. But I showed y'all, man, they still got them 6s sitting in there that dropped today. They got those Air Max sitting in there that dropped today. I secured my bag. Y'all already know, man, we did not pick up no 6s. None of that. You know what I'm saying? We picked up the goods. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get this review done for y'all. Try to see if I can snap in on foot today too, because my parents just flew into town. So we're gonna see how that shit go, y'all.
My flow, ooh, had to get my shit together. Now I spin it on whatever. Hold up, that one was a lie. I buy what, multiply. If it's gonna appreciate, I spend a little cake. When I'm in the jam, I'm cool as a fan. My closet are full of supply and demand. Don't dumb it with money, Birdman hand. And I prefer mine in the van. If I could check, run up some cash. Y'all got a popper, I was doing bad. Bro, I got tired of fucking
on YouTube. It's your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid, the shoeologist. And y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. That's right, y'all. We back in the sneaker dungeon, as y'all seen, man. Gave y'all a little, took y'all to the mall with me. I didn't really vlog too much in the mall today because it was stupid packed, y'all. I'm talking about stupid. And I was just trying to get in there and get out, you know what I'm saying? Like I told y'all, my parents came into town. So I was trying to get in there and get out and keep it moving, you know what I'm saying? And with that being said, y'all, we got a double pickup today from Foot Locker. No, I did not pick up the Jimmy Butlers. That's one of those shoes I'd rather wait to just see it go on sale, and I'll just pick that up on sale if I really want to get it after a while of looking at it and everything. But today I was on a quest and I knew that I had to get these shoes, y'all. I actually ended up walking out with both pair of the shoes, you know what I'm saying? So before we get into those kicks, let's go ahead and, y'all already know what time it is. If y'all new to the channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button for your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid, and ring that notification bell, y'all. That way y'all don't miss any of the content I put out on the channel, like one of these videos right here, as well as just anytime I put out a video. You feel me? Rock with your boy. Join your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid, and the Sneaker Dungeon family. You dig? So, y'all, with that being said, let's try to get this video up to 30 likes, y'all. We've been doing great at y'all. Hit it, splash it, whatever it is you do. Just make sure you do what you do and you do what you do at your best. And drop a comment below and let me know what y'all think about these pickups, y'all. You dig? Let's get straight into it. Today, y'all, the Puma RSX. Yes, y'all. I have been waiting for this shoe. You know, I've been talking to people about this shoe, and I've been telling people, you know what I'm saying, Puma is on the rise. And Skinny, shout out to Caillou, been talking to them about the shoes. I was interacting with Caillou in the comment section about these Pumas, and I was like, yo, be on the lookout, because don't sleep on Puma. To me, I'm gonna be honest, Puma has been doing the best collaboration shoes when it comes to doing a collab with like cartoons and stuff like that. Y'all saw the Sonics come out and they did a great job with the Sonics, you know what I mean? So now we got the Puma RSX, and this is the first pair of shoes that I picked up out of this particular style, the Puma RSX. So y'all, not only did I pick up the Optimus Primes, but I also picked up the Bumblebees, y'all. So y'all already know what time it is, y'all. Let's go ahead and, you know, first, I think, let's take a dive in and let's check out. We're gonna say the best for last. Let's take a look at the Optimus Primes first, y'all. Primes, as y'all see, you got the Transformers on the front. I really think that's really dope. And with the Transformer movie coming out and just hitting it with this box, this is a very, very, very dope way that they did it. And you guys know I am box gang shouted. You know what I'm saying? I am box gang shouted. Alright, y'all, so we got to take a little quick glance, a little spin-a-rooney around on the box. But y'all know what time it is. Y'all want to see what's inside. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to pop these bad boys open, and we're going to keep giving y'all this full review on the shoe, all the way down to the tissue paper, y'all. One thing that I do like about Puma is how they've been doing the tissue paper. They did the same thing with the Sonics. You got that nice, you know, you got the Autobot type logo right there on the tissue paper, and they did that on both shoes. So you got that on that paper, and you got the same. There's no different tissue paper. It's the same on the other pair as well, y'all. Now let's go ahead and let's do what we do best over here, y'all. Oh, that's different. Oh, that's different. Wait a minute. That's different. Let's do it up. It's different, but it's equal. Smell test approved by your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid. Y'all, the Pumas have a decent smell. It's not that Jordan smell, but it is Oh yes, Lord, it got that new shoe smell, y'all. You know, I already know I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it, y'all. So with that, go ahead, man. Let's jump into these Optimus Primes first, y'all, or as CJ calls them, Optimus Crime. Banger, you know what I'm saying? Y'all already see them, man. These things are tough, man. Gosh, these things are tough, man. Puma came right with this, man. This collab is very dope, y'all. You have the nice, you know, it's just like the colors are just perfect for Optimus Prime, man. You know what I'm saying? I love the way that they did this. You got the gray, you already know we're gonna flip it around and everything and give y'all that close-up, but man, these RSXs are very dope. Yes, it does look like a dash shoe. You guys know how I feel about the dash shoes, but for comfort wise, I couldn't beat the RSO, so I had to give the RSX a chance. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't feeling the Puma Spectra like that. I didn't like the way that the shoe was shaped. I like the OG color and I liked a lot of the colors that they dropped, but y'all, I really am feeling this one, man. I'm really feeling this one. I like how they did the pull tab and everything, and of course, you guys know I'm gonna flip the camera around for y'all and give y'all that close-up on these shoes and talk a little bit more. But before we do that, let's go ahead and let's check out how these Bumblebees looking. You did bangers again, y'all. Y'all see it, man. We got the Bumblebees, man, and these are fuego, y'all. I wanted these over the Optimus Prime because I got Bumblebee tatted on me, man. I got it on my leg, and you know, just nostalgia, y'all. Nostalgia, just like with the Sonic, we got the doggone Transformer collab, y'all. And I'm really feeling these, man. They both have different things on them, so we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna flip that camera around, and we're gonna talk about both pair of shoes and give y'all this full review. Let's get. So y'all, we're gonna start off with the Optimus Prime since that's the first one we had. What better way to release these shoes than right when the weekend when you know everybody want to go see Transformers. So just taking a look at it, starting off with the outsole. On the bottom, you see right here, you have that running system with the Puma right there. And it has like a, I won't say it's like icy, y'all, but it's kind of like, it looks like it could have been like that translucent type of blue right here on the bottom. Hits right there on just right here on the back, y'all. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's kind of like that. It kind of has like that 11 gel type bottom, you know what I'm saying? But on the front right here on the running system, you don't have that. You have the gray hitting it with the red and the white. I really like the way they did that. Really looks like Optimus Prime for real. Coming up, you got that nice chunky bulky type 700 runner like look, you know what I mean, right here on the midsole, and you have like a clear type texture right now. This has a little type of texture to it going around it. I like how they did it right here. They have, you know, that signature Puma type thing going on right there. Right here you got the Autobot logo, which is very dope, and you got that hit of the Autobot logo back here in the back as well. You have that RS running system right there as well. Now the front toe box is made out of a mesh type material, which I really think is unique how they did this. And right here you also have that Puma and Autobot logo going together, which I said already, you got the Autobot logo, but you got running system right there. Now on the inside of the shoe right here, on the left shoe, on the right shoe, you have that Autobot logo as well, and you have the Puma right there. I like how they didn't hit it with a really big pull tab like on the Sonics, but they hit it with a nice pull tab. You do have an extra pair of laces that came with it. You have the red laces. Now on the left shoe on the inside, you have Optimus Prime in there. You know what I mean? You have Optimus Prime, and I think that's dope how they decided to do both of them like that. There is no Puma logo in there, just Optimus Prime. Other on the other side, you have it different. So let's go ahead and get into these Bumblebees, y'all. So start on the bottom again with the midsole. On the bottom of the sole, you see still you have that nice like I said, it's kind of like an 11, like it's that translucent looking yellow that like how you would have on the bottom of an 11 with that nice bottom, and the pods on the bottom as well. Right here you have that gray hit mixed in with that yellow, then you got the white with a little bit of that red for where it says running system right there. Coming up on the midsole, got the white with the yellow and the gray, and again you have that type of, it's like a weird type of texture right here, but I'm liking the feeling. It's really smooth, y'all, and it is I would say a smoke gray. I'm gonna call it a smoke gray. That's what I'm gonna call it. Still you have that nice little mesh toe box on these, and as well these came with a second pair of laces, and like I said, on this side you do have that You have the Puma with the Autobot logo. On the back, you have the Autobot logo. And right here on the tongue, you do have that Puma and Autobot logo. But on the inside of this shoe, on the left side, just like on the other pair, you got Bumblebee on this side. These are fuego, y'all. Puma, you guys did an excellent job doing this RSX collaboration. You guys did an excellent job with the toys. You guys did an excellent job bringing the Transformer nostalgia back to us. Did you all pick these shoes up? How do you guys feel about them? Are these a cop or are these a drop? You know what I'm saying? To me, y'all already know they are fuego. I copped them. All right, y'all. So there you have it. We took a nice little look into the Puma RSX, and I must tell y'all that these things are comfortable. I actually had to go a half size up in this pair because they didn't have my pair anymore. They actually didn't even know in the store that they had these in, which I lucked out. You know, sometimes sneaker guys be on your side. I was going in there for these, but I walked out with both pair, and I'm not gonna lie, I was gonna order these online, but hey, double whammy, got to bring them home today. That's the way I love to do things. Now let me tell you how much these are running. Y'all, the original price, because y'all know we got that receipt, the original price of these shoes were $120 a piece, y'all. Now, due to me, you know, I had to get that platinum status and get all my stuff on there, getting all my goods, got the little coupon and everything, racking up, you know what I mean? But went on ahead and I got these things. I paid a total of $207 for both pair, y'all. Now I'm telling you, $220, you know, I got a little discount on them. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. So can't go wrong with that, man. You cannot go wrong with that. And for $120 shoe, this thing is fuego, y'all. I'm telling you, man. Y'all go try out the Puma RSX. No, I'm not getting paid for this or nothing like that. I'm just saying, y'all know I collect Jordans. I love Nike, and I'm Nike, you know, checks over stripes and all that good stuff. But I'm also the shoeologist, and I mess with other shoes. I just prefer Nike and Jordans over everything. But I am not afraid to venture off and try other shoes because, you know, hey, comfort. These things are comfortable, and you can't go wrong with that crazy collab, yo. You can't go wrong, man. And y'all know I'm Box Gang Shorty, and we got a dope box to put on display now. So y'all, I cannot be mad at all, y'all. If y'all are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell for your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid. I promise you all won't be disappointed. Go ahead and follow your boy over at Instagram. Check out the fit today. I will be posting a picture of how I put the sample together, y'all. As well as follow your boy on Twitter at Wiz_retro. And y'all, with that being said, y'all know we about to spin them pictures, y'all. I'm gonna spin them pictures for y'all. I was gonna do the on foot today, but y'all, I'm gonna be honest, I'm a little bit pressed for time. Like I said, my family's in town, so we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna do the on foot probably tomorrow for y'all. But be on the lookout. I will do an on foot, and you know how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do a versus. We're gonna see who did it better, Optimus Prime or Bumblebee. You feel me? And with that being said, let's get these pictures. You did.